प्रभास, आफ्टर बाहुबली बिकम ए पैन इंडिया सुपरस्टार, लाइक जहाँ पे हम बाउंड्रीज नहीं देखते, वी आर ह्यूज, कहें तो एक फैन फॉलोइंग आपकी बन गई है, तो पैन इंडिया सुपरस्टार होने के नाते क्या किसी तरह का प्रेशर आप महसूस करते हैं?
So the thing is, like, Bahubali reached every part of the country, and Japan or some parts of China, and other countries also. So the thing is, we wanted it to be an Indian film, but we didn't expect such a big response from the north and some parts of south also. So the pressure is there because we don't have reference, like no film did like Bahubali before, so we have the pressure definitely. So we are pushing, my producers or my friends, so we're all, me, directors, writers, everybody are trying to push and try to satisfy what Bahubali, audience who watched Bahubali. So there it is pressure, a lot of pressure, because from one state to suddenly the whole country knows you. Before, like 10 years back when I came to Mumbai, no one knows who is Prabhas. So it's a lot of pressure, and we don't know what to release. Like, okay, Bahubali is a commercial film, Saho is a commercial film, so it worked. Commercially, Saho was also fine. So should we go only commercial films, or should we try something and maybe audience wants something else, or should I be in the safe zone? Or yeah, it is a lot of pressure, and the budgets are growing high, and it is pressure.
दिस क्वेश्चन फॉर बोथ ऑफ यू। बाहुबली के बाद हमने देखा है कि जो भी बड़ी फिल्में रहती हैं वो पैन इंडिया लोग पसंद करने लगे हैं, और अभी रिसेंट एग्जांपल है पुष्पा का, लाइक मतलब पुष्पा ने भी ओवरऑल फिर वो हर लैंग्वेज की बात करें तो पसंद की जा रही है। जब भी आपसे कोई कहता है कि ये साउथ की फिल्म है, ये टॉलीवुड फिल्म है, ये बॉलीवुड है, तो आप मानते हैं कि ये जो डिस्टेंस है वो कंप्लीट कट होकर एक प्रॉपर इंडियन सिनेमा के तौर पे जाना चाहिए?
Yes, it started. Process has started because we are already late, I feel. Because every business in the country we are doing with whole country, like even paste, brush, or anything, baskets, supermarkets, everything. Why should the film be in one regional language? We are Indians, right? One thing, it has started. It's already late, I feel. Luckily, it was Rajamouli who started it. I was part of it. But even if it is someone would have started, I feel, and the process has started, and it's going to be Indian films more and more. It doesn't mean it should be a big, grand visual film. It can be a small story. It can be a beautiful story. It can come from anywhere, and we're going to watch a lot of Indian films. We are all in an experiment stage, so everybody are taking risks and doing their best, and it's very hard to understand Indian cinema, which we couldn't for last 100 years. Yes, but everybody are coming out, and we are going to have a lot of Indian films.